Hello, you're welcome once again to Financial Education Platform, where we share principles and opportunities that can help people to do well financially. I am Charles Adogo, the Finance Minister. Now, what I want to share with you today is titled How to Become a Money Magnet. In our last video, I spoke to you about who is a money magnet and some of the traits you need to develop to help you become a money magnet. But today, I'm going to be dealing on 26 principles that you need to apply to help you become a money magnet. And I'm going to outline them from A to Z, using letter A to Z. All right? Now, becoming a money magnet takes the application of certain principles. And these principles I'm going to be sharing with you, they have universal application. In other words, you can apply them anywhere, irrespective of the state you find yourself, or the country, or any part of the world where you find yourself. These principles are universal and they can be applied wherever you find yourself. Now, what does A stands for? Letter A stands for ask. Ask questions. You want to become a money magnet? You must learn to ask questions. You need to ask yourself some probing questions. Questions such as, why am I not making money? What are people doing to make money right where they are? Why is it so difficult for me to make money like others? Why are some people making money and some are not making money? You need to ask yourself some probing questions. You are doing similar business with others. You ask yourself, what is the secret behind the way those people are doing their business? You are both involved in doing the same business, but they seem to be doing better than you. You want to do better like them? Then you need to ask questions. Ask yourself questions. What can I do to do better? What can I do to make money in this place? And then you go beyond yourself and you begin to look for those people in the environment that are successful. Those people that are doing well financially in the environment where you find yourself. Go to them. Ask them questions.